How to combine multiple worksheets in one data consolidation. In this video, I will explain how to combine multiple worksheets in a master workbook in Excel. I am Samir and you are watching my channel Samir's Class. If you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new video notification. In our daily work, we may face a problem that how to merge the number of sheets in a one workbook for analyzing data, which takes more time if we use copy and paste command in Excel. Let's see. I have three worksheets, say WS1, WS2 and WS3 of different cell items of different stores, say store A, store B and store C. In this worksheet, the rows and columns are identical. Now we have to merge all these three worksheets data into the new worksheet, say final. Now to merge the data from the three different sheets, first click on the cells from where I want to consolidate the data from the three worksheets. Now go to the data tab and then select consolidate from data tools. A pop-up menu will appear. The function tab, in the function tab there are so many drop downs functions from which we can use as per the requirement. We will select sum function. So I will select the sum function. Now in the reference, select the range of the data from different sheets and click here, and I will select the data range, say this data I want to consolidate in the final sheet. Then add. Next, select the data from the worksheet 2, this one, and click on add. You see that worksheet 1 and worksheet data range has been added. Then finally I will select the data from the worksheet 3 and simply will add. Now here use the labels in the top row, left column and create link to the source data. So here I have to choose the create links to the source data. I will select it one from here and click on OK. You see the consolidated data from the worksheet 1, worksheet 2 and worksheet 3 has been added here. Now if I changes from any data from the worksheet 1, say I will type here it is 0, you see the final data also changes. Similarly, I will change in worksheet 2 and worksheet 3, you see the final data also changes. In this way, by using the consolidated function, we can merge the data from the different worksheets in a single cell, single worksheet. Hope you understand the video. Please like and share my video. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new video notification. Thank you.